Good morning, students. In Unit 4, Laplace transform, we are going to discuss about inverse Laplace transform for basic function, inverse Laplace transform by using partial fraction. Inverse Laplace transform formulas. L inverse of 1 by s is equal to 1. L inverse of 1 by s minus a is equal to e power at. L inverse of 1 by s power n is equal to t power n minus 1 divided by n minus 1 factorial. L inverse of 1 divided by s square plus b square is equal to 1 by b sin bt. L inverse of s divided by s square plus b square is equal to cos bt. L inverse of 1 divided by s square minus a square is equal to 1 by a sin hat. L inverse of s divided by s square minus a square is equal to cos hat. Problem 1. Find the inverse Laplace transform of s cube minus 3s square plus 4 divided by s power 4. Before to find the inverse Laplace transform, we are going to simplify the term. That is, we are going to divide all the numerator term by s power 4. So therefore, I will get first term become a L inverse of 1 by s. Second term will be a L inverse of 1 by s square. And third term will be a 4 into L inverse of 1 by s power 4. And then L inverse of 1 by s is equal to 1. L inverse of 1 by s square is a t. And L inverse of 1 by s power 4 is a 4 into t cube by 6. Therefore, the final answer is 1 minus 3t plus 2 into t cube divided by 3. Next problem, find L inverse of s divided by s plus 3 the whole square. Here also we cannot find the inverse Laplace transform directly. So we are going to simplify the term. So in denominator, we are having a term. So we are writing the numerator is also in terms of s plus 5. So we are adding s plus 5 minus 5 divided by s plus 5 the whole square. And then we can split the term L inverse of 1 by s plus 5 minus 5 into L inverse of 1 divided by s plus 5 the whole square. Therefore, we are getting e power minus 5t minus 5 into t e power minus 5t. If I take e power minus 5t is a common, then I will get 1 minus 5t. Next problem, evaluate the inverse transform of s divided by s plus 1, s minus 3, s plus 5. So here we cannot find the inverse Laplace transform directly because we are having three terms with multiplication in the denominator. So to split the denominator, we are going to use the partial fraction, that is s divided by s plus 1, s minus 3 into s plus 5 is equal to a by s plus 1 plus b by s minus 3 plus c by s plus 5. After taking LCM, left hand side we are having s and the right hand side we are having a into s plus 5 into s minus 3 plus b into s plus 1 into s plus 5 plus c into s plus 1 into s minus 3. If I put the values for s, I will get the constant values a, b, c. If I put s is equal to 3, I am getting the value of b is equal to 3 by 32. If I put s is equal to minus 5, I am getting the value of c is a minus 5 divided by 32. If I put s is equal to minus 1, I am getting the value a is equal to 1 by 16. Therefore, s divided by s plus 1, s minus 3, s plus 5 is equal to 1 divided by 16 into s plus 1 plus 3 divided by 32 into s minus 3 minus 5 divided by 32 into s plus 5. Therefore, L inverse of s divided by s plus 1 into s minus 3 into s plus 5 is equal to L inverse of 1 divided by 16 into s plus 1 plus 3 into 3 divided by 32 into s minus 3 minus 5 divided by 32 into s plus 5. That for 1 by 16, L inverse of 1 by s plus 1 is the e power minus t plus 3 by 32, L inverse of 1 by s minus 3 is the e power 3t minus 5 by 32 into L inverse of 1 by s plus 5 is the e power minus 5t. The next problem, evaluate the inverse Laplace transform of 3s plus 1 divided by s minus 1 into s square plus 1. In this problem also, we are having more than one term in the denominator. So we are going to use partial fraction. In denominator, we are having a second degree. So we are writing a partial fraction 3s plus 1 divided by s minus 1 into s square plus 1 is equal to a by s minus 1 plus bs plus c divided by s square plus 1. After taking LCM, left hand side we are having 3s plus 1 is equal to a into s square plus 1 plus bs plus c into s minus 1. If I put s is equal to 1, I am getting the value a is equal to 2. Next, we have to find the value for b and c. To finding the value of b and c, I am going to comparing the coefficient of s square on both sides. So left hand side, we don't have a s square term, so we will get 0. In the right hand side, we are having the coefficient of s square is a plus b, but I know the value already a is equal to 2, therefore b is equal to minus 2. Next I am going to compare the constant terms. Left hand side we are having a 1 and right hand side we are having a minus c, therefore c is equal to 1 and L inverse of 3s plus 1 divided by s minus 1 into s square plus 1 is equal to L inverse of a by s minus 1 plus bs plus c divided by s square plus 1. After substituting the a, b and c values, we have to split the term like 2 into L inverse of 1 by s minus 1 minus 2 into L inverse of s by s square plus 1 plus L inverse of 1 by s square plus 1. But we know that L inverse of 1 by s minus 1 is a e power t, L inverse of s by s square plus 1 is a cos t, L inverse of 1 by s square plus 1 is a sin t. Therefore, the final answer is 2 into e power t minus 2 cos t plus sin t. These are the problems to practice. First problem, evaluate the inverse Laplace transform of s plus 2 divided by s cube minus 5s square plus 4s. Here we have to simplify the denominator first. First I am going to take a s is a common and then I will get s square minus 5s plus 4. We have to factorize the s square minus 5s plus 4 and then we have to proceed the problem like a previous problem. Second problem, evaluate the inverse of 1 divided by s into s plus 3 the whole cube. In this problem also denominator we are having more than one term. So as usual, we are going to take a partial fraction like a by s plus b by s plus 3 plus c by s plus 3 the whole square plus d by s plus 3 the whole cube. After solving the problem, we can get the answer. Thank you.